Doğanlar Steel Forging, priding itself on the understanding that forging is an art and quality is produced, not measured, operates on a total area of 12,000 square meters, of which 8,000 square meters are closed in the Ankara-Kazan industrial region with a 204-strong team of employees. Doğanlar Steel Forging, which has breathed a new life into its sector since the day it was established, manufactures finished and semi-finished products. Blending its experience of about 25 years with knowledge and technology, the firm prioritizes cost efficiency and utmost customer satisfaction, giving detailed attention to attaining zero error in manufacturing. Besides the many firms it works with at home, Doğanlar Steel Forging exports to Ireland, France, the Netherlands, Germany, Italy, Russia, USA, and Brazil, boosting its chances of global competitiveness. The company carries out such operations as three-dimensional mold design, forging, processing, welding, assembly, painting, and packaging. Thanks to highly skilled and professional engineers and designers in the staff, mold surface processing is done with state-of-the-art CNC machines by the solid models created in the CAD/CAM engineering design programs. Additionally, special designs and products catering to customer demands are also supplied by the firm. The firm also houses a facility consisting of highly sophisticated machines capable of materializing every stage of manufacturing. Boasting an annual production capacity of 10,000 tons, Doğanlar Steel Forging attributes great importance to the supply and production in the best way possible of the material used and to all kinds of metallurgical checks being conducted. Doğanlar Steel Forging makes a special point of working with the best quality raw material suppliers, both at home and abroad. Fully aware of the fact that a designed model going into production is as important as the design itself, the firm has consolidated its place in the sector by meeting the requirements and expectations of its customers with enduring quality products manufactured at world standards and offered at economical prices. The cutting of material with a diameter of up to 120 mm is carried out by the braking method. The sawing method is used for the cutting of material with a bigger diameter. In the forging section, induction heating is used for materials up to 50 kilograms and furnace method for heavier parts. These operations performed with an automated system keep heating levels 100% under control. The heated materials, varying from 100 grams to 130 kilograms, are forged into different shapes and sizes. The process of forging is carried out in the factory with the help of maxi press, airlift hammer and double-acting hammer. Owing to the upsetter machines and special swelling benches it has, Doğanlar can also perform the forging of pieces having disproportionate diameters. Additionally, Doğanlar Steel Forging cuts and bends steel plates of various thicknesses and sizes and molds them into shapes at its factory. The forged products are delivered to the customers as finished or semi-finished products in sanded and blasted form. The products whose crack controls have been conducted are processed at the CNC treatment centers for a more comprehensive service to the customers. The items processed via the single-column CNC vertical treatment centers, CNC lathes, double-column CNC vertical treatment centers, and universal lathes are sent for heat treatment and galvanization. All phases of manufacturing, from the entry of input to the finished product, are closely monitored by an automation program exclusive to our firm. The final phase of production is painting and assembling. The painted products are packaged as finished products after being combined at the assembly yard. The requisites of manufacturing in the firm, which operates with a team of highly qualified and professional personnel, are quality and correct service. Well aware of the importance for production of designs in three-dimensional drawings, Doğanlar has set up the ISO TS 16949 2002 Automotive Sector Quality Management System and been certified for its performance by ISO TS 16949 and ISO TS 16901 2000. Quality controls in the factory, starting from the purchase of raw material down to the finished product, are conducted with state-of-the-art equipment. The quality of the purchased product is gauged in terms of the predetermined purchasing criteria and taken under guarantee. As dictated by the quality plan, all controls conducted throughout the process of production from raw material to finished product are registered so that each and every phase of the product can be monitored back and forth. Strict controls in the course of production bring its every stage under scrutiny before proceeding to mass production. The product, which assumes its final form following the checks conducted in the factory by the magnetic particle crack tester, Brinell and Rockwell hardness tester, Makroviker's hardness tester, surface roughness tester, paint and coating thickness tester equipment also undergoes a sensitive test carried out with a three-dimensional coordinate measuring device. Tension and shear tests for products up to 50 tons are also carried out using the latest technology in this field. The administrative personnel, engineers, designers, technical staff, and the executive managers, all well versed in the expertise of their respective domains, know very well that it's only with a young, dynamic, and trusted team that quality can be secured. That is why the firm, also boasting a fitness center, a dining hall, a garden, and a meeting hall, fulfills many of the requirements of its employees on its own premises. Committed to its customers with reliability, speed, quality, and reasonable prices, the firm has been going from strength to strength with each passing day for the past 25 years, and further growing and developing with each of the partners it does business with. Experience is conducive to knowledge, knowledge to success, success to prestige. Doğanlar Steel Forging. A step ahead of the rest under all circumstances, because it knows the requisites of its job.